yogurt with some vegetable salad like cabbage, carrots, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, onions, spring onions. Yummy, yummy. My salad for today. Today I'm going to make vegetables salad. So these are all the ingredients. Hard-boiled egg. You can use one or two pieces hard-boiled egg. So I only use one. And this is spring onions because my onion is already become like this. Cherry tomatoes, cucumber, paprika, red green chili or paprika, salt, yogurt, black pepper powder, coriander leaves, 1 carrot, cabbage, and red onion. So first I have to prepare this one. I will wash first this cucumber and cut it, and also this cabbage, onions, cherry tomatoes, carrots. So ayan, hugasan ko muna ito. I will wash this one and then I will cut and then I have to prepare it. This is organic. This is organic. Organic. This is no. And cabbage. This is not organic. Onion. This is organic also. Cherry tomatoes. So now we have to start now. I have to prepare now this one. I already cut it. So these are all the ingredients. Grated carrots and another kind of slice strips. And cabbage, I use only half of this half cabbage. And this cucumber, spring onions, red onions, tomatoes, paprika, and coriander leaves. So we have to put all now this one here. Yan, mix all. And yan, mix all here. Yan, buhos natin lahat. And now we have to put now salt. Ayan. So only one time you have to mix. There is already azan for asir. Now we have to put also black pepper powder. And this one, yogurt. We have to put 4 tablespoons only. So ayan. If you want to put this oil, olive oil is good. Then it's it's better. But no need to put oil here. So I use only these ingredients. So we have to mix well. Oh, sorry, I forget one egg. Where is that egg? One hard-boiled egg. Sorry, better I remember. So we have to put all this one because I keep this one when I cook yesterday, yesterday chicken plow. So we have to mix well. Slices of cut into strip, one egg white, and this is already the yellow. So we have to make like this, and we have to mix now this one here. Ayan. Now we have to mix now also this white egg. Now we'll put now this coriander leaves or parsley. Ayan. Ayan. Now we'll test if salt is enough. Taste natin kung tama na yung asin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sarap. This is like coleslaw, but coleslaw is only cabbage and with mayonnaise. But I used to add here yogurt and hard boiled egg. Now we can put this one in plate so we can taste it. Masarap ito, papakin. Kahit ito na lang yung kainin mo, yung mga nagda-diet ba. Ito yung best kainin nila. Salad. Vegetable salad. Ayan, masarap papakin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sarap. Kunti lang yung mga hinalo ko dito kasi baka ayaw nila. Ayan, marami din pala kahit kunti-kunti. Pero ako, gusto ko talaga ito. Naubos ko yung isang plate dito, so I put more. I like it. Gusto kong papakin. This is my first time to make this egg yogurt salad. Masarap pala. Nakita ko lang ito sa sa YouTube. So ito ginaya ko rin. May nagkataon na may yogurt. So kaya nagtabi ako ng kunting yogurt. Kasi nga nagluto ako kahapon ng yung chicken potatoes flour, kaya sabi ko itira ko konti para makagawa ako ng salad na ganito. So ayan masarap. Tama lang yung timpla niya.